Hello, London. I'm Elina and I'm a surgeon. I represent health workers for Palestine, which started 15 months ago by a group of concerned health workers, outraged, heartbroken, and completely mind-boggled by the depravity experienced by our healthcare worker colleagues in Gaza and Palestine. In the last 15 months, we have seen the complete decimation of Gaza's healthcare infrastructure, denial of humanitarian aid, and destruction of everything that is essential to sustaining life. We have seen the deliberate targeting of the healthcare system, not just in Gaza, but all across Palestine, including the West Bank. Healthcare workers, hospitals, ambulances. This is because they know that healthcare is what will give life back to the people of Palestine. On 7th of October, Health Workers Watch confirmed the killing of a total of 587 healthcare workers in Gaza since October 7th, 2023, and are in the process of verifying the killing of a further 420 healthcare workers. 1/3 of those confirmed killed are women. Shame on them. As of September 20, 2024, healthcare workers documented 264 cases of unlawful detention of Palestinian healthcare workers in the Gaza Strip. Released healthcare workers have reported being subjected to systemic torture and inhuman treatment in Israeli detention. The UN Human Rights Office just reported on the 31st of December 2024 that there needs to be an independent, thorough and transparent investigation and full accountability for all the violations of international human rights law that has been executed by Israel, and the immediate release of all arbitrarily detained healthcare workers. Israeli military have used heavy weapons and airdrop munitions with wide area effects, such as MK-83 or GBU-32. The last 2 weeks, we have seen a flurry of actions both on the ground and on social media, not least because of the continuous atrocities carried out by Israel on the people of Palestine. We saw Kamal Adwan Hospital, the last major hospital in Gaza, being invaded and destroyed. Shame on them. Shame. We saw Dr. Hussam Abu Safia being captured amongst at least 450 more healthcare workers being detained without any reason, without solid reason. Shame on them. Shame. We saw medical students being bombed whilst having their final exams. Shame on them. Shame. We have had global actions around the world expressing our collective indignation. These attacks by Israel are deliberate and mean to exterminate the people of Palestine. And in the meantime, a new year had begun. Not happy for our brothers and sisters and children in Gaza. Children and babies are currently dying from cold. It is equally horrific and morose for all of us who are fighting this genocide. Our task is unfinished and it is incumbent upon us to continue. It may be a new year, but it is the same fight. Just in the last 24 hours, we have seen the murder of Bassam Yusuf Shapura, admin staff at European Gaza Hospital, and Hania Abu Salama, another admin staff at Al Auda. We implore the UK government to see the situation as it truly is, with the numerous evidence given by our colleagues as eyewitnesses of the crimes against humanity dished out by Israel on a daily basis. We plead them to allow children to enter the UK for treatment. We urge them to comply to international human law and the International Criminal Court's arrest warrant for Netanyahu and Gallant. And to acknowledge that the UK, with its long history and solid commitment to Israel, is complicit in this ethnic cleansing. Stop the mollycoddling. The answer is simple. It is on your cards. Stop arming Israel now. Free Palestine. Thank you.